Hey there, this is David from EVnSteven, and in this tutorial I'm going to be exploring the side menu with you to show you how to check for updates, update your profile, change your preferred language, and some other things as well. So let's just start at the very top. You'll see that when you open up the side panel by tapping on your profile picture, you'll see a gear at the top right there. And that will bring you into the user profile editor where you can set a profile picture, and you'll be able to update your name as displayed on invoices, company name if you have one. There's a little info button here that you can read that describes more about these fields. Okay. You can set your country from a large list of countries worldwide. Specify the favorite date format that you like to use, and then you can toggle on and off all of these different toggles for allowing anonymous usage data usage, update and offer emails, to allow update and offer push notifications, forgotten session reminder emails, and also to allow forgotten session reminder push notifications. We recommend you keep these all on. We're never going to abuse our emails and notifications to you. And finally, at the bottom, if you do need to delete your account for some reason, you can request deletion. And when you do request deletion, you need to actually be eligible, and that would require that you all your current charging sessions have been billed, and so you have to wait for the billing cycle to complete. Once that's done and your bills have been marked as paid by the station owners, then your account is eligible for deletion and you can delete it. But you do have to complete all of the business that you have with station owners prior to deleting. Once that's satisfied, then the account deletion occurs 45 days after the request is made. During that time, you can cancel the request at any time. So this is how you achieve account deletion. And that's it. You can set a profile picture. You can select from your film roll if you want. And that's it for the edit profile. If you do make any changes, you just press the save at the top right. Otherwise, hit the back button and you're back at the side menu. So let's go down the page a little bit more where we can change the language. So we have English, German, Spanish, French, Dutch, Norwegian, Swedish, Chinese, and Amharic from Ethiopia. So we will be adding new languages every once in a while. We've automated this process, so lots and lots of languages will be appearing here. And if you have a specific language that you would like to see in here, please send us some feedback and let us know which language you would prefer, and we can add it for you very quickly. Logging out of the app, you can do that by logging out. Normally you would just stay logged in. You can replay the introduction screens, and I would just take you through the initial introduction. And you can check for updates. If there are any updates, you'll get a notification here. And EVnSteven support and guides. If you want to read deeply into some of our support documentation, you can go there, and you can always get back by hitting the back button up at the top, as well as these pages are also available in the 8 languages that we've supported so far. So just go back, and we've got our legal hub with all of our legal documentation for privacy terms of service, all of that stuff, and frequently asked questions. This is all our FAQs. and our About page, which lists all of our open source licenses. These are all the packages that we use. We rely heavily on open source. It's very lengthy. There's a lot of code in this app. And it seems simple, but it's actually very complicated. And then down at the bottom, this is going to help us out a lot if you give us a rating on the App Store or Google Play Store. And if you know somebody that could use our app, please share it. We also have Facebook links, a link to our YouTube, our TikTok, which has just been TikTok's been shut down in the US, so we don't know what's going on with that, and we're on X. So that concludes this tutorial. Just actually one more thing up at the very top, you'll see there's a user ID ES9LKP, so that'll be unique to you, and you can reference that in any support communications. Yeah, that's the side panel. Thanks so much for using EVnSteven. We really appreciate you, and have a great day.